ChatGPT Deep Research is a smart tool that does the heavy lifting of detailed web research for you. It saves you hours and delivers solid results with proper citations. Just be aware for now, there are usage limits. Free registered users get about 5 deep research tasks per month. Folks on Plus, Team, Enterprise, and Education plans to get 10 full tasks plus 15 lighter ones each month. Pro users get quite a bit more, 125 of each type every 30 days. Let's see how to use it. Once you're logged in, either on the website or the app, you'll spot the Deep Research option in the Tools menu right below where you type your question. Just click that to get started. Then, type out what you need. Try to be as specific as you can about your topic, what you're hoping to learn, and how you'd like the information presented. Maybe a full report, some bullet points, or even a table. Let's say I want a competitive analysis of streaming platforms report. I will use this prompt, which you can find in the description of the video too. As you can see, it includes title, context, key questions, and other detail. So take time to write a good prompt with context and detail for better results. If you have files, images, or spreadsheets that add context, you can upload those too. It really helps Deep Research grasp exactly what you're after. When you are done, start researching. Sometimes it might ask you a couple of follow-up questions or show a short form. This is just to narrow things down and make sure the results are super useful to you. After that, the AI gets to work. It basically dives into the internet, checking out articles, PDFs, and other content, pulling together info from loads of sources to build a comprehensive answer. This part can take a bit, anywhere from 5 minutes up to half an hour. The good news is, you don't have to sit there waiting. You can go do something else, and you'll get a notification when it's finished. Let's fast forward this part. The final report pops up right in your chat window. You'll get a detailed breakdown, including links to the sources it used and a summary explaining how it reached its conclusions. Down the line, they might even start adding images, charts, or other visuals to these reports to make things even clearer. Deep Research is awesome for tackling complex stuff, like digging into market trends, checking out competitors, reviewing scientific papers, or comparing products. It's built to handle those tough questions that usually take ages to answer. To get the best out of it, the key is writing clear prompts. Explain your topic well, what you need to find out, and how you want the answer formatted. If you're trying to learn something new, you can even ask it to help you build a learning plan, and then just ask follow-up questions as you go. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment saying like too, so I can find you and say thanks personally for the support. Thanks for watching and take it easy.